I'm that nigga from Trabass TV.
Hello? Oh my god, what? My mom and dad is home. Where are you?
See me out. What?
Be quiet. My mom and dad is home, and the door's right here.
Oh, alright. Oh, I forgot. Go upstairs though. You win that dirty here? Can your mother say, go and keep a cup? Yo, you win that dirty me, yo. Yeah, what's my name?
Be quiet.
Hey, yo, it's nice, eh? Bomba! You can check out the whole place. Alright, look. This, we can't turn around here. Alright. Oh, it's nice, you know? We can't come live. Ah, shit!
Don't worry about that.
Turn on the light, no?
No, do you pay electricity bills here?
No, my bridge light still. You don't pay light bill.
Well, too bad.
Come on. Ah, shit! I want that, man!
Don't worry about that.
Shit!
Be quiet.
Yo, alright, take off your clothes.
No.
What do you mean, no?
I just want to cuddle.
Cuddle?
Yes.
Cuddle?
Yes.
Who not beat down my door? Yo, you see your daughter?
Imagine how
She invite me in her house, you know.
My daughter.
Boss, easy with the shirt, no?
Hey, my daddy.
Daddy, hi, daddy. I with man, yeah, my daughter was 16 years ago, Reggie.
16? Hey, girl, I like. We meet her on Instagram.
Insta what? How was that?
¿Qué le pasa a este hombre? ¿Qué es lo que le hace aquí, mi casa?
I call the police, man. You there for?
Nobody nothing know, say you a Trabass fuck. Nobody nothing know, say you a give it up. Nobody nothing know, you sleep over in me yard. Baby, go and go take off your dress. Nobody nothing know, say you want him a fuck. Nobody nothing know, say you a give it up. Nobody nothing know, you sleep over in me yard. Baby, go and go take off your dress.